Family, as I was having my so-called breakfast, thought came to me while I'm listening to the music. And I want to share with you what I started thinking. If our African-American ancestors like David Blackwell, the black scientists, technicians, researchers, help create, influence AI, then it's our vision to create music that was hijacked by record companies. Create music that heals and elevates the heart, lift the soul, make you want to get up and dance and move. We're going back to our roots, digital roots. We have to become digital root masters to our own acoustics for elevation, transmutation, so we don't have degeneration during these times of insanity. Music is sound. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. And ye are God, Psalms 82:6. So music, we have to become acoustical masters of the artificial intelligence or the African intelligence to become torches and beacons of light for those who need elevation. Make love songs again. Make serenades that raise the dead bones in the valley. Raise the frequencies with rhythm, polyrhythm, with acoustics. Because they took the music out of the schools for a reason. They wanted to suppress African genius. They wanted to suppress innovation for levitation, free energy. Use the technology to activate your DNA so you may fly like a falcon into the sky. So you may leave a legacy of music, of sound, of healing acoustics. So we're becoming acoustical dream masters. Fulfill your destiny. Ubuntu.